take control of your home with the Richmond SmartR Home Range. Easy to install, easy to connect, and easy to use. Make your home truly smart from inside and out and control everything from your smartphone or tablet. Our easy-to-install range of products include remote Wi-Fi gate openers and a selection of indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi cameras. The Wi-Fi Smart Switch transforms your existing gate into a smart device. You can open or close your gate from anywhere using the SmartR Home app from your Android or Apple device. Compatible with most automatic gate openers on the market, it's an upgrade that adds convenience and security. For outdoor security, our weatherproof cameras are built to withstand the elements while keeping a watchful eye. The outdoor camera offers HD resolution recording, motion detection, and two-way communication, letting you monitor and talk with visitors day or night.
Hello?
Hi. Is it okay if I leave this here?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Thank you.
For broader coverage, the outdoor floodlight camera offers a powerful combination of wide-angle video with motion-activated floodlights and movement tracking. With 270-degree rotation, real-time alerts, and a range of secure storage options, you're always in control. Keep an eye on your pets and belongings with the HD indoor camera, providing high-resolution video with PTZ functionality, a built-in siren, and two-way audio, ensuring you can respond instantly to any situation. Need a camera away from the main building? The SmartR solar camera, powered by a solar panel and long-life battery, offers extensive video coverage without the need to run wiring all the way to the fence line or the gate. From your gate to your front door, keep every part of your home connected and secure with the Richmond SmartR Home Range. Simplify your life, enhance your security, and embrace the future of home automation. Richmond SmartR Home, bringing smart home living to your fingertips.